lovers, welcome to Rajmi's home. And on my birthday, which was yesterday, I decided to do something frightening for my birthday, and I went to the canopy walk in Lekki Conservation. When I went on it, it was terrifying, but I said I was gonna keep going and keep moving. The first one was very tricky, but I had hope. I just knew I could do it. In fact, I did do it because I finished it, and that was amazing. I had to meet up with my crew because they were about to go on the second one. It was awesome.
Guys, I just passed the second canopy and it is treacherous. It is horrible, and I need my mommy. This is like the third one. Point of no return. It's 49 feet. What the? I don't want this.
Did you say it's falling?
It can't fall. Just keep coming.
The one that's falling, come.
So a lot of celebrities have done this, and I decided to try this for my birthday. And this is horrible. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is amazingly horrible. Guys. I just passed the third one by chance. Well, basically. This is terrifying and my hands are shaking. The next one is 73 feet. That's quite a number. I really don't want to embark on this again. I just want to go back home. Guys, I just passed the last one and I made it. It was shaking. It was shaking and I want to go. I want to get out of here. I passed it. I came out and I'm back on land. I'm on ground. Oh my god, this feels so good. I am never trying that again. Never. It is done. No, never. I mean, I could have done it again if everything were just 24 feet, but like that 73. What? No, never.
Oh my god.
Guys, oh my god.
I have to go my